I hate YouTube, so I got a new pickup today. Here's the box. Didn't bother to open it, waste kind of time here. But yeah, St. Louis Blues, Mitchell Ness script. It's a cream script now. Two-toned, blue brim, green on the brim. Got cream. Got St. Louis Blues with the yellow outline, and here's the symbol. Got blue air hose, blue button. Got blue Mitchell Ness, blue snap, got the cardboard. Got the Mitchell Ness, vintage hockey. It's a hockey team, by the way. If you guys didn't know. Got Mitchell Ness button, hockey sticker, Mitchell Ness sticker. That's pretty nice. Definitely keeping this one. Alright guys, so thanks for watching, and comment, rate, subscribe. I'll probably get more hats. I'll try to, at these times, it's kind of hard to get money, but thanks for watching.